I said wake up! Finally, I want you awake for this. You have to be the dumbest, most stupidest person ever existed on this planet. I told you to never step foot in this house or even in this neighborhood ever again, or I would hurt you so badly. But here you are, in my room, sniffing through my underwear drawer. Like I wouldn't know. Oh, and just so you know, I found your camera and I smashed it. But before I crushed it, I took out your little memory card and I went through all the pictures. And guess what I found? Oh yeah, I see you shaking. I found those pictures of me in the shower. You stupid, stupid man. I guess I should say stupid little man because that's what you are. Such a waste of life. And now you're going to pay with your life. Idiot, freaking pathetic loser. I told you to get on my life and stay out. But you had to come waltzing back in, didn't you? You thought you could sneak in here and sniff my underwear and take pictures of me while I shower? Fuck you. I don't give mercy. Fuck you. You see how my knuckles are turning red? Well, by the end of this, they're probably going to be bloody with all of your blood. Die! Oh, wait. Not yet. I have better plans of making you suffer. You got that? Yeah. I think I want to feel you crunch and crush and squish under my feet. Yes, that's the way you'll go. Now, lift your head up. I don't want you to miss it. Squishy. So squishy. Now let's see how exactly squishy it really is. Shall we? Squish, squish, squish. Time for my left foot to get some love. So squishy. Just gonna squish you everywhere. care about your crying or your screaming. No one is going to hear you, and even if they did, no one is going to care. Your tears are wasted. I'm gonna stomp you to death with my bare feet on your stomach. Oh, have you ever heard of internal bleeding? Because you're about to experience it. Do you want to feel all my weight? Too bad. You're gonna take it anyways. I don't give a fuck. You deserve to die beneath my feet. You are disgusting. You got that? Disgusting. Look up at me while I stomp at you. You are going to die beneath these feet. You pathetic fool. Now, it's time to crush you completely. I can see you're struggling for breath. It's not gonna last much longer. Crush, crush, crush. Hey T, I got another one. 5 minutes? That's cool. Okay.